This is my house. It's not big, and it's not small, but I like it. 3 people live here. This is Matt.
Hi, I'm Matt.
This is David.
Hello, my name's David.
And that's me.
Hi, Helen. Pleased to meet you.
So there are 3 people, but there are 4 bedrooms. So today is interview day.
What's your job?
I'm a jazz musician.
Really? What do you play?
The drums.
But he's very quiet. And friendly. No dogs.
Sorry. £150 a month. Great.
No.
£150 a week. Sorry. Where are you from?
Edinburgh, but my job's in Oxford.
Good.
This is a nice house.
Thanks. We're happy here. Okay. Okay, and
Cigarette?
I don't smoke. We don't smoke. Do we?
No.
We don't smoke.
Oh,
Sorry. This is terrible.
Who's next?
Her name's Jane. She's number 8. She's the last. So, Jane, tell us about yourself.
tell you what.
Anything?
I'm from Brighton. I'm a drama teacher. I don't smoke. I like films, good food.
Good food.
Yeah. Italian, French, Chinese.
Do you cook?
Yes, I'm a very good cook.
Do you have a dog?
No.
Cat?
No.
No animals.
Do you play the drums?
No. Nothing.
That's great. Jane, it's your room.
Fantastic.
When can you move in?
Next week?
This week?
Tomorrow?
Sure.
So now, there are 4 of us.